Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a unique platform. From this platform you can manage your multiple accounts or multiple application in single device. So I will tell you about the detail of this project and how it's work. Each and everything we will discuss in this video. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel. And as you can see, Glogin is the name of this project, and the link of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join it. Anti-detective browser to manage TikTok, CoinList accounts and multiple accounts, and you can simply manage your account from this single platform, and simply you can create an account on it, and then you will be start your process. So friend, first of all you can install this platform in your Windows. So it's a very simple method to install it. Simply click on a download option. If you click on it, you can simply see this interface on your screen. I will share with you. As you can see, I successfully download this platform. So you can also download in Windows, iOS and multiple options available. Which one you have, simply download it and then you can be the member of this project. So it's a basic step to join this project. Hope you will understand how you can be the member of this project and participate in it. Then you can see it's also downloading an application. Simply I cancel it, and if it will be done, it will showing in my desktop screen. So simply we can go to the review of this project. So friend, now I will tell you how you can creating your account with your email. So simply the software will be installed in my PC. So I will tell you about how you can create your account. So simple method: simply enter your email, password, then confirm your password, and your account will be successfully created. If you have a Google account, so simply click on it and make account with Google. So simply, as you can see, the interface of this project was showing on screens. First of all, creating your profile, select the IP address, and then you make passing IP's character. Now you can go to the browser setting and you can see your digital account details was also shown screen, and you can easily manage your Facebook, Amazon, Insta and multiple account. Which one you want to select, it's your up to you. Simply select a proxy and then you can manage your accounts multiply, and it's a very simply and easy method. So hope you will understand picking different IPs and get different accounts and multiple opportunities. So hope you will be understand how it will be created, and as you showing on, as I will sharing you on screen, that how it's work and how you can make the member of this project. And you also make an email or a workspace which multiple person have fully access to manage each and everything. So hopefully you will understand each and everything. And friends, now you can see a multiple plans of this project which was showing on screen with unique fingerprints and built-in proxies, as you can see on screen. And the detail of these proxies was also available. Custom number of proxies was also available, you can see. And the review and feedback of this Goligen proxy platform was also showing on screen. So must participate in it and get benefit from this platform. The reviews was also showing, so must read it, and then you can see future plans and multiple things. So it's a unique method to assess your multiple accounts, and you can see guide to use global browser. Each and everything was available. Must read it to know about how it's work and how you can handling it. Simply you can see multiple LinkedIn accounts, TikTok scalping and drop shipping and multiple things you can do from this single platform. And it also helps to make more earning from these social media platforms and give you a multiple opportunities of earning. So it's up to you how you can run it for a business, for a personal work, and you can earn a big reward. So hopefully you will understand how it's work and how much opportunity this platform gives you. As you can see, traffic arbitrator, SEOs and ad review with anti-detected browsers and multiple things for growing your business or growing your personal profile. So must join it and make benefit from this platform and get multiple opportunities to earn money or growing your business. So these main platforms method was also showing on screen, which having social media handling, affiliate program, and now you can see best proxy sites was also available, and best services it will be give you. I will show you how you can participate and apply proxies on platform, so you will easily understand. Before I will tell you each and everything how proxies work on different social media accounts and how you can give a full access. So these are the main plans in 2025 and multiple opportunities for you to join it. So it's a good thing for you. You can simply not a Golian user. You can also work multiply in different proxies and different countries. So it's also helps to you to go and run your business publicly and get a multiple opportunities. So these are the main detail. Hope you will understand. Must read it to know about each and everything, and then you can see the advanced feature of this platform. I will already tell you, which show you custom number of profiles and personal support and a lot of thing you can see. As you can see, compare your plans with other proxies project or a business, personal, business, enterprise, and custom. Each and everything was available. You can simply manage it from yeah, seeing your use, and then you can make your custom build or which one they gives you. Simply you can try it for free for 7 days. It's give you a trail account, so you can also use this one to know about how it's work and how it's give you an accuracy. So manage your account safely from one device, and it's a very unique thing and a good platform for you to enhance each and everything globally. And it will provide you anti-detected browser which creates a unique digital identity for each account. So it's a good opportunity for you. It's mean that your all accounts and each and every thing was totally secure, and it will give you a security. So must join it, and I will prefer you to manage your accounts and multiple tasking from this platform to make safe accounts or grow your business, because it's give you multiple opportunities. Sharing account access with other team members, it's also a good opportunity for you. So next you can see organize your accounts and with folder status and notes. It's also a helping material for you to manage your accounts. Then it will give you a 24/7 real time support. You can chat with the team of this project, and if you have any problem, so it will be resolved immediately. And the multiple thing it's give you, so must join it. And also join the social media account to get know about latest updates and news of this project. So it's also helps you to more know about the project. So must join it. Follow it on Twitter account. I will also sharing you the profile of this project. So it's a very helpful thing for you and gives you a multiple opportunities. So must join it and be the member of this project. Hopefully you will like this video. If you like this video, so must subscribe my channel. I hope we will be meet in next video. Every new user get 2 GB proxy traffic for free.